Kapodwa rango mana weche maket koda mago wayudo kanyo ni jotelo mago opogore mane uyoro nyasi makamano bende ne otiyo kod thuolono mano mar chiwo poch gi paka ne jaloch ng'wech mano mar marathon Sewe. Kane otwak e sach nyasi maket koda mano, jatend migawo ma ochung'e tuke pacho kae Salim Vuria ne owacho kendo ne osingo ni kaka piny owacho kaachiel kod migawo gibiro bedo ka gidhi nyime siro kanyo talanta kaachiel kod were mago mag jotugo duto te pacho kae. Korka kore kane omiye thuolo Sewe to ne owacho ni loch mano mabende ne oyudo no en mano mar oganda jo Kenya duto te.
Your Excellency, today is a momentous occasion, and I want from the onset to thank you most sincerely for this high-level reception. This high-level reception, Your Excellency, demonstrates your leadership in inspiring the talents of the youth of our country. I want to congratulate Sebastian Sewe for the achievement. This achievement is not a mean feat. It is an achievement that has profiled our country, and we are all rallying behind Sebastian and all athletes who represent Kenya at the global stage. Your Excellency, this is also a very clear demonstration of your leadership to ensure that talents become a source of livelihood. And as we congratulate Sebastian, Your Excellency, I want to assure you, already from your directives, when an athlete breaks the record and they win gold, there are new awards which you will be announcing. I also want to...
Nikafanya kule London. Nilifanya kwa niaba ya sisi wote kuchenga jina ya nchi yetu endelee kung'aa kabisa, na ni furaha kwa sisi wote. Nasema tu asante, na bado tutasidi kutia bidii kwa talanta zetu na kuchenga jina ya taifa letu ibaki kukaa juu kabisa. Asante pia kwa kazi nzuri ambayo unazidi kutufanyia kama sisi wanariadha na sports in general. Nasema asante. Tunaona viwanja zinaendelea kuchengwa. Tunashukuru sana.